Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into the credit cards online of the Standard Chartered Bank of Hong Kong. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.sc.com/hk and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Standard Chartered Bank of Hong Kong. Now, hover your mouse to the login option that can be seen at the top right corner of the screen and then go to Credit Card Online. Once you click on Credit Card Online, you'll be able to see this page. Now, right here, you are being asked for your login details. First of all, you can select the language of your choice and then enter the username and password of your account. If you have forgotten your username or password, then click on the link Forgot Username or Password and then follow the instructions provided in order to recover or reset it. Once you have filled in your login credentials, click on Login, and finally you'll be able to sign into the Credit Cards Online of Standard Chartered Bank of Hong Kong. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.